Hey Norm, this page is looking good. The funnel's looking good. Just a few little bits of feedback. The main landing page is looking pretty good. Yeah, that's cool. Is there any chance of having like a progress bar, like we have on the ClickFunnels one? I don't know if we're able to. Yeah, cool. Maybe make that step 1 of 3. Apply now for the new year evolution. Maybe make that a little bit smaller, about that size, but you can keep it bold. Just reduce the size of that. On the second step.
Thanks for taking the time to check out the Jowett method. If you want to get started,
can we make this top section the same color as back here? And the same,
G'day guys, Jeff.
Same height. It's too big there, I think. Maybe make this a little bit bigger. So that important, complete your application below to claim this special offer. Offer available to the first 20. Yeah. And maybe put this line here above the video and make that really big. So make that the header. That could probably, can you fit that on one line? And maybe keep that same size font if you can fit on just one line. If not, then that's fine. But maybe put this up as the header above the video, make that much bigger. And then just make this white section here a bit smaller. And if we can put the background image in, same as on this page here. Registration. Other than that, I think that's cool. It just looks like you've connected it up to the wrong product. So the checkout should be for the Jowett method. There's a $70 one. So there's 2 there I can see in Kajabi. One's for $70 a month, which is the one that we need, and the other one's just free. So make sure we're connecting it up to the free to the $70 a month, the paid one. There, please. The checkout page should be set up in Kajabi already, so you should just need to connect that over there. But otherwise, that's looking good. Initiate checkout. That's cool. So the lead pixel shouldn't be on this page. So this page should just have the regular pixel. So remove lead off this page. We just need page view. This second page here, this second step should have lead. So this should be the lead pixel. This should be just page view, lead, and then once they click through, this should be initiate checkout, which looks like it already is. And then I think that's set up automatically in Kajabi, so maybe whether or not you need to override that. But yeah, this page here shouldn't be the lead pixel. This should just be the page view. The next page should be the lead pixel on here, and then initiate checkout on the next step, which it's already set up. So just run through that again, make those few changes, shoot them back over to me. That would be great. Thanks, mate.